if you own 250 cameras, this demo is for you. I have only 8 on this test rig, but you're going to see where I'm going with this. So if I go in the camera numbering here, that's the list of cameras. And by default, you're going to get one zone, the main one, and all of the cameras are going to be selected. The idea here is to make subsets of cameras. So you can create as many zones as you wish. In my demo, I created the zone head, body, and test. In the head, I have 4 cameras, 1, 2, 7, and 8. I have 6 cameras in body and only 2 in the test zone, 1 and 8. Camera 8 here, that is selected. For the zones, I have a bunch of options. I can show the selector on the dashboard, so it's very easy to go from one zone to another. And I have an option to remember the camera settings per zone. So I can really isolate what I want to do with each zone. So I can go, let's say here with the head, I decided to go RAW plus JPEG, single shot. But with body, I decided to go burst and JPEG only. So if I go to the dashboard, we see the selector under the trigger button. So now I'm in the main zone with all cameras, but let's go in the head. And now it's changing the camera settings on 4 of the cameras. ISO 100 is too dark, so I'll go to ISO 3200. And the rest looks good. So I click on the trigger button, countdown, shot is getting triggered. And the cat is waiting for me on the chair. So we have the 4 images here, and we can cycle through them using up and down. And if I close this, and then if I click on the zone, the head, I want to go in body to shoot in burst. So I can click here, but there's a shortcut, Control Shift 1, 2, 3, and 4. So if I click Control Shift 3, then I go in the zone body, and my cameras are in burst mode right away. So if I click on the trigger, we just got 3 shots in JPEG small 3, and we have the 3 iterations right here. So again, we have all the camera settings that are saved per zone. We have the countdown value. This one is 1 second. I can set it to anything. It's going to be remembered at the zone level. And also the image quality, anything that you see here is saved for the zone. Let's go to the test shot. It's only 2 images. I set it to RAW plus JPEG. Let's go to only JPEG small 1. It's really about getting a test shot. We should see only 2 images. So I click the button. And very quickly, I get my 2 frames here that I can use to validate if the settings are right, if the pose is okay, all of that. Thank you. Mini Minou.